the fuck are we doing here, dog?
What's going on, guys? We're currently in the parking garage across the street from the construction building we're about to climb.
I think that it goes. You go over? Yeah.
Always use a rubber, kids. Protection's first. On my face, it's just wow, it's crazy. Drip or drown, baby.
And he brought floaties.
Batter up.
Let me get that next. I'm about to beat my meat, make it echo.
She licked my sheet like a gecko. I just hope I don't fall.
One screenshot, I'll jump, bro.
I'm Brian.
We dripping.
Where you going? We go here. Oh, really?
Yeah. I think I heard an alarm.
I heard the beat too.
Oh shit.
Back.
Push it back. Come on, go. We gotta go.
This is the floor. Camera.
Oh. Where are we meeting? Fuck, baby, we just fucking did that shit. We got Colin behind us. Kind of scary.
Wait, watch this. But we did it. What is this? A crumpled donut? Oh hell yeah. Like, think about it. You're just driving along, like no one looks up.